How to change hotspot name on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To change hotspot name on Android, launch Settings application. Scroll down and locate Connection and Sharing. The hotspot option may be available on different section, so you need to check according to your phone model. Now from this section, locate Personal Hotspot and open it. Now you need to select Hotspot Setting option, and then you will land on this Hotspot Setting section where you can see your current hotspot name and password. So in order to change hotspot name, select the current name and then delete it. Now you can easily enter the new one and tap on the tick mark at top right corner of the screen, and your hotspot name will be changed on your Android device. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.